So we're back. And today I'm gonna be doing some swatching for you guys. I am gonna be trying out a new gloss from NYX. This is called This is Milky gloss. But I wanted to try something that was more spring-like. So yeah, if you're interested in these glosses, wanna see what they look like on, then just keep watching. So I got 4 different shades. I didn't buy all of them because all the shades don't really appeal to me. I'm more of a, you guessed it, I'm the pinky nude girl. The first shade I'm gonna try is Cherry Skimmed, which looks like a mauve type of gloss. Oh my gosh, you see that? It has a clear wand. I don't know what it is, but glosses that have that clear wand be bomb. I haven't tried these glosses yet, but this kind of reminds me of that mauve purpley shade of the Fenty Cream Gloss Bomb. Cherry Skimmed. Ooh, and it feels so good. Ooh, and they smell good too. I probably wouldn't wear her by herself. She's definitely a gloss that I would layer because I don't really like pinky looking glosses like this. By itself, this is reminding me of like the early 2000s, like Nicki Minaj pasty pink lipstick. Just saying. So our next shade here is Moo-dy Peach. She looks very pink in the bottle, but she's actually super sheer. That's her right there. Okay. And they are very milky. Like you get that milky look from them. And I really like the applicator. The applicator is super flat. So you're able to like really like smear it on. Okay. I could wear that one by itself. I like that one. I like her. Our next one is called Milk and Honey. So she's more of like a beige girl. She's definitely like more on the clear side. So that's her right there. Can't even really see her. So if you're like brown skinned, she might be your more like nude. You know what it kind of reminds me of though? You know how like when you wear your gloss for a little bit too long and you get that white stuff like in the corners of your mouth? It looks kind of gross. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Yeah. Like it does definitely give you that milky look. It reminds me of that. So this might be a gloss that's like, you need to top it. It looks pretty. That looks pretty. All right, and then the last one we have here is Milky Pink. So she's a very pink, which I usually like to have like one like kind of pinky gloss to like layer on top of things if I want a more pink vibe from it. She's a little bit more clear on the clear side too, at least for me, for my skin tone. You can see like a hint of her right there. Surprisingly, I think I like this one the best, which I would have not predicted. It's definitely a gloss. I feel like if you have brown lips like me, like if your lips aren't like red or pink or whatever color they are, if they're like more brown in tone like mine are, you definitely want to really rub this in and spread it out, because if you just get a glob of it, it looks a little weird, like milky center on your lips. That's a milky gloss. But I think I like this one the best, honestly. Okay, so for my final look, I did a little bit of chestnut lip liner, and then I did 2 of my favorite MAC lipsticks. This is the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color, and I did Date Maker and Over the Taupe. And then I put, this one is called the Cherry Skimmed. I think I'm gonna add one of the pinks though on top. I think I'm gonna go with the peachy one to brighten it up a bit. This is the Moo-dy Peach. Yeah, right in the middle. So like the colors are like very subdued, but like they're enough to like, oh, if you're like, I feel like my lip is too dark, like I did just then, to add a little bit something to your lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have these, if you've tried these, let me know. If there are other colors of these that you really like, let me know, because I actually kind of like these and I think I'm gonna get some more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.